Alright guys, so we're going to do something a little bit different today. So this vehicle right here, this Jeep, is getting a new PCM replaced. So I have a new tool that I'm playing around with that I'm testing out, and it is the DrivePRO ES from Autologic. This tool is pretty awesome. What's nice about it is that they have the remote programming. It's a full scan tool. It's fully functioned. It comes with support. It comes with the RAP, which is the remote assisted programming, and that's what we are going to be using today. So what I have done, I have put in a support request, which sends my information to Autologic. Autologic ends up giving me a call and has walked me through setting up this vehicle to be able to be flashed. So as of right now, the key is on, the engine is off. We have the battery maintainer hooked up. The battery maintainer set at 13.8 volts. And the first question that they asked me before we started anything was, do I have the security pin code? Well, Chrysler does not give out the security pin codes and stuff anymore, so now that we have the security pin code, Autologic ended up giving me a call back, asked me to have the key on, engine off, which I do, make sure the battery maintainer is hooked up and everything else. And right now, the vehicle is flashing. The computer is getting up to date, getting programmed. They will give me a call back when it gets to the end of the flash, because they're going to have to do some key cycles, which obviously they're not going to be able to do being remote. So that's where they're going to need to, call back, have another technician or somebody else do some key cycles, and this vehicle will be done and it'll be out of here. So like I was saying, I think this is going to be a good tool. I don't know if it's necessarily going to be an amazing tool for just technicians, because the tool is about $6,000 just for the tool, and then it's also $300 a month or $299 a month for the subscription, but that also comes with the tech support, and that tech support is priceless. Okay, yesterday was the first day using the tool. I ended up using the tech support, and I can't remember the code that I had. It was a P0013 on a Dodge, but it was a circuit code. So I kind of told Autologic, I kind of acted dumb that I don't know kind of what I'm doing and everything, and I said, I checked the oil level and the oil level is full. Now granted, this is a circuit code, so this is going to be like a chewed wire or something to that effect. And so I was going in the complete wrong direction, and I said, I checked the oil level, and the oil level was good, and I was able to rev it up, and the variable valve timing was working at that time. Okay, so within 15 minutes, Autologic ended up giving me a call back by a technician, ASC Masters certified technician, called me back, kind of walked me through and told me a lot of possibilities of what it could be. Immediately he said start looking for some critters or whatever underneath the intake, look for some chewed wires or anything like that. So let's just take you guys over here. This is the wiring harness that goes underneath the intake for the variable valve timing solenoids. And if you look on this connector right there, you can see the chewed wire. So me acting dumb, the technician completely nailed it. He sent me in the right direction. And look at all that dust. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but it is crazy right now. So he sent me in the complete right direction. So right off the bat, I was immediately impressed. that tech support is absolutely unlimited. Okay, that $299 a month is unlimited. Like I said, that technician sent me in the right direction, and the turnaround time after I put in the request for help was less than 15 minutes. So again, super impressed with that. And you know, now they are doing a remote programming. Yes, I'm sitting here filming, but honestly, I could actually walk away from the vehicle and go work on something else and be making money while the shop is making money and programming this vehicle at the same time. So that's really impressive. So I'm definitely liking this ES DrivePro. There's going to be a bunch more videos coming on this. I really want to push this tool because I think this tool is kind of the wave of the future. So again, if your shop is not doing programming, I seriously suggest considering looking into the Autologic DrivePro ES. It just makes everything seamless and easy. Another thing, if there is an issue with the module programming and let's say a module ends up getting bricked, Autologic accepts 100% responsibility and they will do whatever it takes in order to get that vehicle fixed and on the road again. That's a company that's completely standing behind their stuff. That's pretty awesome too. So like I said, I'm impressed. We're going to be waiting on a call back to finish up this module installation, but I'm getting bit, man. So yeah, let's wait for them to give a call back and kind of go from there. All right, so Matt, you just called back. You want me to turn the key off?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a sec. Okay, Matt, the key is off.
Thank you. Now turn the key back on for me.
Okay.
Engine on.
Key is on, engine is off.
Thank you. The new PCM's programmed successfully. Now I just got to run some other routines
Okay.
before the vehicle starts again. All right. First learn the VIN number of the new PCM. Rescanning the car again. Cycle the key off and on for me.
Okay. Key is off. Key is on.
Alright, I'm entering the security pin code now to the new PCM,
Okay.
which was 2551.
Correct.
Alright, correct pin number is now writing into the PCM now. Cycle the key off and back on for me. Engine off.
Key off. Key on.
Now we gotta relearn the throttle body.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, hold it. Alright. Press and hold the gas pedal down to the floor for me.
With the key off?
Key on. Engine off.
Or with the key, okay, yeah. With the engine off, correct?
Yeah, engine off, correct.
Okay, gas pedal is down to the floor.
Alright, hold it for me, just keep holding it. Thank you.
Okay.
Release gas pedal for me.
Gas pedal is released.
Thank you. Alright, electronic throttle body has been relearned.
Okay.
Now we gotta do one more step. What is the odometer mileage on the cluster?
Shut the door. It is 138,389.
Perfect. Alright, the odometer mileage is now entering the new PCM. Successful. Alright. Cycle the key off for 10 seconds and back on for me.
Okay. Key is off.
And now back on. Engine off.
Key is on.
I'm going to clear DTCs and the entire vehicle. Cycle the key off again and start the car.
Okay, cycling key off. Starting vehicle. And it,
Vehicle running.
yep, it fires right up.
Any warning lights on the cluster?
We need gas. Can you send gas? It's got the
Everything is
it's got the tire light on, but that'll be just probably an air check on that.
yeah, and the red little dot blinking, the security light.
The light is off.
Okay, perfect. All right, so program successful. PCM, new PCM's programmed. If everything is good on your side, we are done.
Matt, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, bud.
No problem. I will close out this session. Just disconnect everything and have a good day.
Thank you. You do the same. All right.
Have a good day.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, guys. That's it. I mean, that was pretty simple. You know, I honestly, if I wasn't filming, I could have been off doing other stuff. But I really wanted to show you guys what this company is all about, and I got to say, I'm impressed. I've never, so I do programming. I've done programming on Chryslers and Fords and GMs, Nissans and Toyotas and Kias and Hyundais, but I've never done one on a BMW, on a Volkswagen, on a Mercedes. So with this tool, they can do all that. So obviously they're not showing you how it's done. It's all done on the back door. You can see where the screen, you can't see them going to the manufacturer websites and everything else. So the screen's just kind of a generic screen, and they're doing it all on their end. But it's easy. And if you're gonna have DrewTechnologies, or not DrewTechnologies, Opus, Autologic, if you're gonna have them flash a vehicle, it's $125. They accept full responsibility. Man, this is just the way to go. Honestly, obviously, you know, doing it in-house and me doing it, the shop makes more money. Obviously, I make some money doing it, being flat rate and stuff. But this is not everybody wants to be doing programming and to get into those kind of headaches. So anyway, that being said, Autologic for the win. This is good stuff. Check them out, guys. Seriously.